Hey my friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Retired Shenanigans, here with another one. Thank you for coming along on my journey. I know it seems like I'm talking crazy into the camera, but sometimes that's how you feel. I've been snowed in for a couple of days and I'm gonna fry some chicken. I'm just gonna fry some chicken. I'm gonna either have a salad with it or I don't know. That's what I'm gonna have. See, when you don't get out. But anyway, we're gonna make fried chicken. It's all washed. It's not seasoned though. I'm gonna show you guys how I season it, and we're gonna put it in the pot here, my deep fryer. I'm gonna start heating the grease as we season it, and we're gonna have a good time today because God is good to us. Even though He brought us this snow, I still say there's a blessing in everything because who knows? Who knows what His will is? Only He knows, and we need to follow Him as much as we can. I don't like to sound like I'm preaching on my channel because some people might get offended or whatever, but this is me. I am a true believer in the God we serve. So on that note, people, let's fry some chicken. Okay, my friends, we're gonna start seasoning up the chicken. We're gonna start with mustard. Heinz yellow mustard. This is a binder. You think you need more? I ain't buying no more yet. I got some. That's enough. I'm gonna get a glove. We're gonna mix this up first. Mustard. This chicken been washed. I got the pot here on. Getting hot, the grease. This chicken been washed. Because if it's in my kitchen, chicken gonna get washed. Look at that. We want more mustard because it ain't got enough. Don't look right. Some of them pieces ain't coated. So we want to make sure every piece is coated with a little bit of mustard because when we put the seasonings in it, we need it to stick. So the mustard combines the ingredients here, the seasonings. It holds it in place. We're going to put some buttery herb. No, let's start with chicken seasoning first. Since it's chicken, let's start with chicken seasoning. Okay. Oh, we're going to put a little poultry seasoning. Poultry. My grease is getting ready because I'm starting to smell it. Poultry. Garlic and herb. Garlic and herb. You know what? I put this, but I'm not going to use this because I got some other seasoning that says chicken wings. So we're going to use some of this. Since we got wings and some legs, it's all chicken to me. I got a few legs, I got a few wings. All right. Seasoning it up. It's seasoning up. Look. How that look? Looks good, right? Looks ready. Ready, Freddy. So, I got my flour here. I'm going to season it with some soul food seasoning. Soul food seasoning. Y'all see that? I love this stuff too. I used to use it nothing but this all the time. But You know, people start making all these seasonings that make you want to try them. So that's what I do. I gotta take this glove off because I'm touching everything, making a mess. All right, there's the glove. The glove is off. Let's hope this is enough flour. So y'all see my little fryer. My fryer is little. So if we get 3 pieces, we doing good. We're gonna start with a leg, and then we're gonna put a winged thigh. 2 of those. And we're gonna shake up the bag. We're gonna test the flour. Oh yeah, see, it's ready. Y'all saw that? Oh yeah. That grease is ready. So, 1 piece. 2. 3. As you see, my little fryer don't hold much. But look, it fries good. Put our seasonings back. We're done seasoning. I don't think I put none of this on there, did I? Oh well. If I didn't, we ain't gonna have it. That's it. We're on the fry there. So we'll come back. Look how good that chicken looks. That's the first batch. We have the next batch in there cooking now. So we're getting it all cooked up here. I want to go live, people. Comment below and tell me, do you think it's a good idea? Y'all can ask me questions about my life and not figure out, but I'll tell you what's going on with my journey of being a YouTuber, or you can ask me any kind of questions you want. So comment below, all my subscribers, and tell me what you think about me going live. I have a lot to talk about, so you guys can come along and I can just start talking and y'all will be telling me to shut up. So when you see this video, comment below on coming to see me live. Alright, this is the last batch of chicken. So I'm going to let it cook. I'm going to get me a couple of pieces from here. My niece made some macaroni and cheese, and we're going to taste. I'm going to taste everything for us. Alright, let's put that back and let it cook. Come back, we'll be eating. So, my friends, here we have it. Macaroni and cheese and fried chicken. It is good too. Let's try this chicken. Look how crispy it is. Excuse my manners. Would you guys like some? Come on in and have some. That's good. That's real good. The macaroni and cheese is good too. Delicious, delicious, delicious. So, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Thank you to all my new, old, and future subscribers. and anybody else that watches. If you're not a subscriber, you need to subscribe so we can get more of this content going. I love doing this. His food is good. Nice and crispy. And good. Good. So, like I was saying, if you made it to the end, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And on that, see you on the next one.